Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay July 10, 2026 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong July 10, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, July 10, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 10, 2026, Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, July 10, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of July 10, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.